Let's get you started with Eoiin Connect. In this video, we'll show you how to set up an organization from the very beginning, or join an existing one. To register with Eoiin Connect and start a new organization, head to eoinconnect.com and hit Get Started. Then begin trial. You don't have to worry about subscribing just yet. Enter your details, including your organization name, and press Begin. You'll then be prompted to invite a couple of team members if you choose. This is a great opportunity to invite a couple of project owners and have them begin adding their projects. Add their email addresses to the boxes and hit the green invite button. Now you're logged in and you ought to see your organization folder right at the top. From here, you can begin creating subfolders and projects. This organization dashboard is reflected across your entire team, so make sure to organize it in a layout that everyone will understand. But what about the users you sent an invite to? Here's how to get started in Eoiin Connect if you've received an email invite. In your inbox, you should have received an invite email asking you to create an account. Within the email, there will be a button and a link to create your account and join your team on Eoiin Connect. Pressing the button will take you to this screen, where you only need to add your name and set a password. With those details entered and the checkboxes ticked, select Create and you're in. You can check out other tutorials to see how to start your projects, but that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Eoiin Connect. Organize your projects, connect your team, manage your work, grow your business.